Would you like a cup of Rosie Lee? I'm just about to brew up.
Why are you making char? We are going to our local in 15 minutes.
Are we? I totally forgot. After that hangover I had last week, I said I was going to become a teetotaller.
You, teetotal? Never. You like your sherbets too much. Anyway, they sell soft drinks in the pub, you know.
I know that, Judy, but I do like the sauce. I'll take it easy this evening. I'll start with an amber nectar to wet the whistle.
Please don't do chasers this evening. You and Mickey put depth charges into your beers last week, and that's why you got so plastered.
Yes, we were well and truly sozzled, smashed, pie-eyed, pickled, whatever you want to call it. Even the hair of the dog didn't cure me. I was so hungover.
Don't remind me. I will be sticking to vino this evening, which, as you know, is my favourite tipple.
Even that cheap plonk that they serve in our watering hole.
I know it's not the best booze, but it's enough to get me a bit tiddly. Another thing, Ed. Please don't slurp your beer this evening. No one wants to hear that.
I can't sip it, Judy. What would that look like?
Nobody cares what it looks like, it's what it sounds like.
I tell you what, should we have a quick one at the Bull before?
We are not going on a pub crawl. We wanted to meet up with Mickey and Sylvia at 7 p.m.
I thought I could have a jar to get Dutch courage.
Why's that? What are you nervous about?
I have to tell Mickey that he's not in the dance team anymore.
Oh, for goodness sake, Ed, you are not doing that this evening. I suggest you have a liquid lunch tomorrow and break the bad news over a few jars.
Oh, Judy, I wanted to be teetotal and now you are encouraging me to drink.